It'll take probably about $1 billion a year for a pandemic task force at the WHO level, which is doing the surveillance and actually doing what I call germ games, where you practice, say, okay, what if a bioterrorist brought smallpox to 10 airports? You know, how would the world respond to that?
Earlier, as you received notice from the Massachusetts Department of Public Health, there's a patient in the Commonwealth of Massachusetts who has been confirmed to have infection with monkeypox.
Get Bill Gates in here!
Did somebody say monkeypox? That's right, welcome to the newest unfolding pandemic that is surely not brought to you by Bill Gates, Anthony Fauci, and the rest of these scumbag lizard people. It's a coincidence if you're noticing that this totally legitimate regime wants to cede all of our sovereignty over to the WHO because they handled COVID so well, and as they're doing this, miraculously, all of a sudden, monkeypox, everybody! Oh yeah, no, let's not arrest the dude who keeps talking about arson and then arson pops off. That wouldn't make any sense. We shouldn't even look into it. Holy shit, Bill Gates, you're a monster. If you want to save Western civilization, the best way to do it is with this right here. You better start attaching these people's names to what's about to unfold to get them to stop it. This is a video, maybe not this video, but this meme for sure. You better start blasting it out there. If you're questioning the efficiency, the effectiveness, and the efficacious nature of memes, take a look at, we just destroyed the Ministry of Truth in like 2 weeks. 2 weeks of memes to flatten that cunt. Well, you better do it again with this one because this is even crazier. They want to unleash monkeypox on us. This is a grand old meme, of course. Meeting to sign the WHO pandemic treaty. Release the monkeypox! Release the monkeypox! Totally not Bill Gates. By the way, how do I know it's Bill Gates? Because there's already a shit ton of mainstream media articles. It's not Bill Gates! It's definitely not Bill Gates! It's not that son of a bitch who's pregnant with lizard people with boobs protruding beneath that blue shirt. Shit, yeah, it's him. Crazy conspiracy theory claims Bill Gates behind monkeypox. So we'll just go to fact check. We're gonna debunk it right now. Did Bill Gates predict the monkeypox outbreak? He's the one threatening us. He's the one telling everybody. Satan defeated by COVID-19. That's fine. Not the worst one to come yet. Maybe something like smallpox like virus. Holy shit! He fucking said that. He said that. And this week, he didn't say that. Okay, well, like, he kind of said it, but like, it was out of context. Out of context, everything he does is a fucking threat. Everything Bill Gates is saying is a threat to us. Multiple Twitter posts have suggested that Microsoft founder William Gates has predicted the likelihood of a smallpox outbreak ahead of the recently reported cases of smallpox in the US, in Europe, in Latin America, and spreading all over the place. Oh yeah, but you're not supposed to notice that. A whole bunch of things you're not supposed to notice. Don't notice replacement theory. Don't notice this. Don't notice William Gates in the background. Don't notice the dude who wife just openly left him because he was hanging out with a convicted kid fucker after he was convicted of kid fucking. Don't look into that. Don't look into his IT personnel being arrested at his mansion with kid porn on his computer. Don't worry about it. Get your medical advice from him. Get your medical advice from him. Makes total sense. So, you're like, we need to fact check this, though. Alright, in May 2022, multiple social media posts reported that Bill Gates had recently warned of smallpox attack. Some of those commenters implicitly hint that Gates' purported role in the spread of monkeypox cases that have now been reported in Europe and the US. Many of the posts are tied to pre-existing conspiracy, racist theories, narratives about the Microsoft founder and his foundation. Yeah, but this is what he said. He said, listen, you better watch out because there could be a bio attack. A bio attack? What kind of bio attack, Gates? Well, they could attack us with some sort of, I don't know, like smallpox? Look at this. This is his quote, by the way. This is his quote. It'll take probably about $1 billion a year for pandemic task force at the WHO level, which is doing the surveillance and actually doing what I call germ games, where you can practice. You say, okay, what if a bioterrorist bioterrorist brought smallpox to 10 airports, how would we respond? Smallpox. So he says smallpox by name. Advances in technology are easier for bioterrorists to attack us than smallpox. I only see one bioterrorist. Anthony Fauci's probably in the picture too, but he's so small, it's probably top of his head's probably by his crotch. Yeah, right. And again, like, well, he didn't say monkeypox. He said smallpox or smallpox-like virus. That's what fucking monkeypox is. That's what monkeypox is. What we know about the smallpox-like virus. That's fucking your headline, by the way, over here at Euronews.next. I mean, damn. And again, if you're questioning, you're just thinking, oh, this is too far-fetched. Again, they're fact-checking it already. And they're look what they fact-checked. The CDC staged the escaping monkeys as a cover for the next releasing bioweapon. Come on. You don't need to be a Pepe Sylvia at this point to see what's going on. Everything Bill Gates wants more money, more power, more influence to create a new global governance board to make sure that they can monitor outbreaks of smallpox-like viruses. Just give him more money, give him more airtime, give him more small children. I mean, adrenochrome. I mean, money. I don't know how much money's enough for these fucking people. And then, of course, right on time, right on cue, monkeypox all over the place. Monkeypox all over the place. Did Bill Gates predict a monkeypox outbreak? No, Bill Gates didn't predict a monkeypox outbreak. Bill Gates threatened us with monkeypox. And you fucking people have been wrong on everything. Immediately run out there and run cover for him. Well, he didn't say that. He said smallpox-like virus. Yeah, okay. You want to split hairs over here? Again, the dude who keeps saying crazy shit, who's been wrong on everything, you keep bringing out. You're not bringing him out because he's right. You're bringing him out because that's his job, is to come out and threaten us. It's the only reason why he's getting airtime. And again, just happens to be the clear person who benefits the most from a brand new WHO germ warfare board that he's going to be running, that he's going to create. Dr. Bill Gates. I'm not allowed to listen to Joe Rogan because Joe Rogan's not a doctor. But I gotta listen to William Gates. Go fuck yourself. Everybody sees what's going on. You want to avert this crisis? Start attaching his name. They already know what we're saying. They're already monitoring what we're saying. They're already releasing 15 million fact checks this morning. Get out there and pump. You took down a disinformation board in 2 weeks. You can avert this crisis very easily by just getting them afraid. If what we say is correct, they'll be afraid to do it in the future if normies start seeing it, because their names will be attached to it. Crazy. Warfare boys. There you have it. Thank you so much for watching this important channel. If you want to save Western civilization and avoid fucking monkeypox and monkey herpes, hit that subscribe button and make way, because the salt